My name is Henri Bouvois. Due to a rare congenital condition, I have very small hands. As a youngster, I used to do anything to hide my hands from view. 10-pin bowling was impossible. Piano lessons were utterly humiliated. After a dance, a girl once likened the experience to holding the paw of a whistle. One day I decided to put an end to my misery. My finger did not reach the trigger. So I prayed for a purpose in life. Suddenly, I was overcome with an urge to sew. My stitches were so small and delicate, they would go unnoticed to the untrained eye. Soon, my newfound dexterity became famous across the land. Girls liked me, and it wasn't long before the makers of the world's finest clothes offered me a position in their workshop. I have been head tailor for 10 years this August. Here I'm not treated as a freak, but as a hero. And no longer do I feel cursed. I feel blessed.